No. Short jumper, no good. Rebound by Cardo. To Ivan. Ivan, no good. Rebound by the Edge Friend. Steal by Kuya Levy. Ano mga tayo? Lovely. Bisa lang, gitna. Paula ang gabi. Ha? Oscar, 10-9. Labas. Bola lang, Team A. Score, 10-9 in favor of Team B. To Justine, no good. Rebound by Justine again. Back to Kuya Ivan. Foul by Justine number 0. 1 minute and 15 seconds before the change. Score, 10-9. Levy taking 3. No good. Rebound by Urge. To number 0. Turnover, good ball. 1 minute exactly. Ivan lumipad. No good. Rebound by Urge. Urge pa rin. Urge. 2 points. Urge Gabor. 12-9. Number 4 plays number 1 to Justine. Long good. No good. Rebound by Urge again. Oh, laro lang. Ha? Sino? Labas. Okay lang. Okay lang. Kapiran. Sumasabay sa malamig na panahon. Hatid sa inyo madam. Forest Bill. Wala pa. 20 seconds. Score, 12-9. Good ball. Steal by Justine. To Ivan. No good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Bola lang. Team A. Good ball yan. Good ball. Number 0. Steal by Cardo. To Justine. 10 seconds remaining. 2 points. Ivan Magday. 11. Good. Change court na po. Change sa kanila. Change court. 12-11. Correct, no good. Rebound by number 0, 2 points. Ang lamig. 14-11. 14-11. Basket. Foul. 14-11. Labangan Team B. Basket by number 0. No good. 14-11. Good ball. Out of bounds. 20 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds to shoot. Oras. 14-11. 3-14 by Team B. 0 to Sir Louie for 3. No good. 14-11. Good ball. Ivan goes over move. Ivan. No good. Rebound for Mikey. 2 points. Mikey. Epo Puseno. 14-13. 1-14. To Sir Rex. No good. 3 ball by Sir Lobby. Sayang, out of bounds. Bola ng Team A, rather. To Ivan. Ivan, papas to Kanto, 2 points. Kanto. Cage Maybor, 15-14. Nice pass by Sir Louis to number 0. Cage Maybor again, 16-15. Papas to. Login, limang pa rin Mikey. Mikey pa rin. Wala pa rin. Limang by number 0. 16-15. What a pass! Limang by number 0. Number 5 by Justine. To Ivan. Ivan. Taking green. No good. Wala na Kiming. Good ball. To 0. 0. One over mo by 0. 15 seconds to shoot. Lowy. Lowy to 0. 9 seconds to shoot. Taking green. No good. Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 16-15 in favor of Team B. 1 point lead. 16-15. To Mikey. James Maybor. 17-16. Mikey, Nepomuceno, basket. To 0.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Exactly 7 minutes. Wow. Labas. Wow. 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Score 17-16. 17-16 in favor of Team A.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Taking green, no good. Out of bounds. Is gained by Urge. To number 0. Crossover move. Jake to Lori. No good. Rebound by Justine. To Ivan. Crossover move by Ivan. 2 points. Ivan, Magday.
3-point lead.
3-point lead. 19-16. Tayo. Team A. 0 to 0 again. Sa ilalim na pass. Out of bounds. Bola ng Team B. Score 19-16. Oras 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Urge to 0. To Lowy. To 0. To number 0 again. Napas to Lowy. No good ball by Cardo. Number 4. Number 4. What a play. No good. Mikey. Anong battle? 5 minutes and 15 seconds. 19-16. Bigay na lang, foul. Miss. Isa na daw, gitna. Miss. Wala na. Team A, score 19-16. 19-16. 5 minutes, exactly. No good. Rebound by number 0. 0 naman kadali. 0. Tapos yung Lowy. Sayang. Good ball. Ivan. Ivan. Power move by Ivan. Hindi mo matumpa. Cardo taking 3. Number 4. 20-16. Is gained by Cardo. Papas to Kuya Levy. To Ivan. 2 points. Ivan Magday. 23-16. 24-16 rather. No good! Team up by Sir Logie. No good pa rin. Trampas to number 0, 2 points. Number 0.
18-24. Hindi nakatayo na yung video pa lang dito.
18-24. For Levy, trampas to Carlo undertaking 3. Carlo. 27-18. 3 misses 38. 0 taking 3. 0 Carlo.